Alright y'all, this is my Sena 10C EVO version 1. So I stopped using this Sena in, I don't know, I think it broke on me in the first part of June of 2025. And I use this thing non-stop. You've seen my videos for at least 5 years. And I pushed down the camera button one day and the camera just wouldn't start. So I dealt with Sena customer service back then, and they had told me that I need to reset this, blah blah blah, reset that, whatever. So after resetting my camera 50 times and nothing worked, it was easier just to buy a new camera. So I bought the new camera. The new camera is the 10C EVO version 2. It's exactly the same camera, except I guess a different software version inside. So after 3 months, my version 2, the button just stopped working. I don't know if you can hear this, but that when you push this button, it's supposed to click, and you know the button's broke if you're pushing the rubber and it's not clicking. So these are supposed to have a 2-year warranty. So I contacted Sena on my version 2 to see if I could get it switched out. And I know they have plenty on the shelf because I ordered one. But I'm so disgruntled right now dealing with Sena that I don't know if I want to have 3 of these cameras. I think I want to go to something else. But I'm giving you a heads up if you're thinking about buying a Sena camera. The camera itself is absolutely bulletproof. These cameras are great. But what I'm finding is the camera switch isn't that great, and their warranty is not very good. So did I get all 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I got them all out, but something is sticking. Something's sticking right there. I've had this part once. I'm not sure why it's fighting me right now. All of my screws are out. This just pops apart. There's nothing that really holds this together. Something's holding it right there. Must be the SD card. Let's get the SD card out of there. Now? Alright, remove your SD card before taking apart your Sena. So, the camera button is right here. I don't know if you can see that. When it clicks like that. So this button is not glued to this main board. It is just soldered. So it's soldered in these 2 that you can see, and it's soldered 2 in the back that I don't believe, 2 of them aren't connected to anything electrical. I'm not sure if it's the 2 in the front or the 2 in the back. So what I did was this switch was laying somewhere over here in the unit. So I took this switch and I soldered it back onto the main board, and then I went a step farther and I took glue, hot glue, and I put a little bit of hot glue on the back sides of it, and then once it's together, I went ahead and put a dab of hot glue on the battery just to hold it in place. So my camera button on this unit is solid. And I'm pretty sure, I'm about 100% sure that the same thing happened with my current Sena. The button just fell off and it's laying inside the case. But I don't want to void the warranty by taking it apart myself. So I'm doing this video. I'm going to send this video to Sena so they can see what I'm talking about. But we're on a week now, and I have been bounced around all over the Sena company. I can't get them to warranty my unit. So, yeah. But the unit itself, this one, I put the button back on it. I'm using it. This is the version 1. It's great. I still, after 5 years, I'm still getting an hour life out of the battery. So I can't say anything bad about the camera itself. What I am going to say bad is the warranty procedure to get your camera fixed is just like to near impossible. I do have a guy that I ride with, and he said that his bracket broke back here. It just snapped off and it wouldn't attach to his helmet. Sena replaced that immediately. But for the camera button, I can't get Sena to do anything to help me out. So there you go. There's not really a review. I guess it's kind of a review because the Sena camera, the Sena unit, if you want an all-in-one unit, Bluetooth your phone, listen to music, shoot video, talk to your friends, the 10C EVO at about $270 shipped to your door is the way to go. But if you have to do anything with warranty, I think there's just like one person in their support department, and he's never used a Sena 10C EVO before in his life, and he just leaves you hanging. So this is my video. Thanks for watching.